Here we're going to talk about the grouping function that is found in the selection menu. This lets you group any amount of items, and you can extrude them, resize them, alter the shape in a few different ways. One of the best things about the grouping function is if you've drawn something and it's just a little bit small, either horizontally or vertically. So what you can do is select the whole item, group it, click done, and now we can extrude it just a little bit to get the most out of the block that we can. There is also a grouping menu. If you right click on the item once it's been grouped, it gives you the options to ungroup, extrude, scale, rotate, the whole grouping as one. What I want to do is work with just these individual letters. So instead of selecting in a rectangular box, I can choose a diagonal line and just grab these letters instead of incorporating the dice. Once I have the letters selected, I can group them. And we right click on the grouping menu, and there's this warp function. What this does is put nodes around the outside of the grouping, and you can distort that whole grouping depending on how you move the individual nodes. We right click, move the node, and now we can stretch the lettering any way that we like. Ungroup to finish. Here's another example. If we want to work with just these characters and stretch them in a unique way, we'll group it, click done, right click, add the warping, and now I can move the node just a little bit further. Now I've been able to stretch the characters kind of around this box here. We can so that allows me to stretch these characters kind of in a unique way with the grouping function.